Hello friends, hope you are all fine. In this video, I am going to discuss one of a case study related to the recruitment of the truck drivers in the United States. So we have started our campaign on 20th with the page likes campaign, and then we have started after that one the lead campaigns that were on the Facebook leads. So in the first month, you can see we have got 17 leads. Cost per lead was $4.43, and we have got 42 page likes for this business. Then in the month of July, we have start scaling this business, and we have got 374 leads with average cost 3.67 and 94 page likes, and we have spent 1373 on this in the month of July. And then in this month, in the month of August, we have got 112 leads again with the cost average cost $3.19 and 18 page likes. So as a overall, from 20th of June to 12th of August, we have got 503 leads. The average cost per lead was 3.56, and we have got 154 page likes with average cost 64 cents cost per page likes. Hope you like this case study, and if you want me to manage your campaigns, so simply contact me with the details in the next picture, and then we can discuss how we can scale your business. Thank you.